Raspberries, known in French as framboises, are the most popular berries in the world and the most delicate of all fruits. They have a tart flavor and velvety texture, and they are perfect for smoothies. Red raspberries are the most common, with black, purple, and golden berries available in some markets. Now, because they are easily crushed and susceptible to mold, most raspberries are sold frozen. So, where do they come from? Raspberries are grown in places like Washington State, New York, Oregon, New Zealand, and South America. Let's talk about the health benefits of framboise, aka raspberries. They are loaded with vitamin C, which I've been mentioning all throughout our immune system boosting series. And as you know by now, vitamin C is vital to the health of our immune system. In fact, 1 cup of raspberries provides us with about 35% of the daily recommended value for vitamin C. Raspberries are also a great source of dietary fiber, and they lower cholesterol and help prevent heart disease and colon cancer. Now, King T'Challa's death to colon cancer shook Black America and Black people from all over the world because his character meant so much to all of us. And I got to tell you, after his death, I scheduled my colonoscopy. In fact, I've had 2 procedures since then. And I got to tell you right now, a colonoscopy prep, the diet and everything is not fun. But my life is worth it, and so is yours. Okay? And having said that, I highly encourage you to go get your colon checked and be sure to add raspberries on your grocery list. Now, the best time to buy fresh raspberries is from late late May through November. And of course, they are also available in the frozen section. All right, let's make a smoothie. This is our mise en place, our ingredients for our raspberry yogurt smoothie. We have here 1 cup of raspberries, a 1/4 cup of Chobani Greek Vanilla yogurt. This brand is the best yogurt on the market. Next, we have here 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, half a small banana, a 3/4 cup of almond milk, 1 scoop of plant-based protein powder, 6 mint leaves, 1 teaspoon size of fresh ginger, and plenty of ice.